I'm Deb, your Get Set Up guide. Are you a grandparent, aunt, uncle, or friend of a child who could use some learning support? Do you want to help, but you're wondering how to do it when you have to stay distant or when you live far away? Where do you even start? This session gives you some ideas and resources that are fun, free, and easy to use. In this class, you'll hear some recommendations from teachers about teaching online, and you'll see how Zoom can easily help you to share with children and to have them share with you. You'll also sample a variety of free online tools and resources. We'll explore websites that provide educational games, videos, read aloud books, and tools to help you create your own lessons. We'll even look at some sites that provide complete curriculum that you can use without having to create anything. If you're concerned about which resources are appropriate and safe, that's something else we'll cover. You'll get some go-to resources for assessing appropriateness and keeping children safe online. Mina took the class recently and said, "I loved getting all those helpful and free resources." And Barbara said, "There was lots of good information I will definitely be able to use." Whether you're helping children with their schoolwork or finding educational activities to do together to supplement what they're learning in school, or if you're just looking for fun and educational ways to connect from afar, this session offers something for everyone. I hope you'll join me and be part of Get Set Up's lifelong learning community.